Și v-am mai promis detalii cu privire la Canon C300, o cameră care merită descrisă în detaliu, dacă nu din punct de vedere al prețului, măcar al performanțelor.
We announced this camera in November 2011 in Hollywood. It's a kind of a turning point for Canon because it brings us into the range of digital cinema production and also high-quality television production as well. Some of the important features about this camera include, for the first time, the ability to have a Super 35 CMOS sensor that has ISO up to ISO 20,000. And we're doing some very unique technology on this sensor that nobody else is doing in this space, and that is a ability to have actual full color RGB off of a single chip without doing a debayering. So what we do is we actually have an 8.3 megapixel resolution that comes out with a 1920 by 1080 actual signal. So there's a full 1920 by 1080 red, 1920 by 1080 blue, and then two channels of 1920 by 1080 green. We do all of our work in the digic processor and then end up with a very, very clean 1920 by 1080 signal out of that 8.3 megapixel resolution. This camera also is available in two different styles, one with the EF mount, which we're demonstrating right here. It's also the EOS C300 PL, which is an alternative version that has all the same features except that it works with the PL mount lenses that have been around for years and years in the world of cinema photography. Now, in addition to the camera, we have introduced two new zooms and a total of 5 new prime lenses, and that's the beginning of our series of digital cinema lenses for the EOS C300 and other cameras to come. So we are very excited about a lot of the capabilities of this camera, the high image quality, especially the extremely good light sensitivity, the interchangeable lenses, and a full range of professional features on this camera that a cinematographer would particularly appreciate. It's a modular construction where basically they can fit the camera together the way that they need to for their particular job. The grip can be used or it could be removed. The top piece can be used or it could be removed. The monitor on top can also be used or it could be removed. The built-in electronic viewfinder is always there. So it's a very, very well-designed modular type of camera that has a lot of application in the world of digital cinema.